all the questions correctly.
Even I understand it better now.
So, what is a specialist speech all about? First of all, we have to understand that a specialist uses clear and detailed description to impart skills and knowledge.
Clear and detailed description.
How the specialist can achieve clear and detailed description is to use sense of sight to describe the appearance of the object in detail.
Let's say when I am describing this handphone, instead of just saying that this handphone can take very good pictures, a specialist highlights the features by providing very clear and detailed descriptions. For example, this is a very stunning phone to look at. Inside, you have some of the best internal components. You have a 100x digital zoom on the rear camera to the magnificent and huge display in front. It also houses a very energy-efficient battery to ensure that the phone runs and runs no matter how long you use. This phone also has solid internal speakers with stereo drivers for a more immersive experience. On a normal basis, we would have described this as a red cupcake. A specialist would have said, "This is a freshly baked cupcake. It is heart-shaped with its wide whipped cream topping. When I tear it apart, I can feel the soft, spongy texture and I can see the chocolate filling melting and trickling down the side." Now, I would like you to imagine the same book cover with these two different descriptions. Look at this beautiful book cover of a sun against the mountain. Now, imagine this book cover is exactly the same book cover but with a different description. Look at this beautiful book cover. The three-dimensional printing of the cover gives an interesting effect. It brings life to the cover. The sun on the cover looks like a yellow-orange egg yolk fading behind a mountain covered with snow. Now, which description has allowed you to picture or imagine a more beautiful book cover? Was it the first one or the second one?
I get what you mean now. The specialist speech has indeed very clear and detailed descriptions.
Yes, now that we understood the importance for the sense of sight in the specialist speech, let's now help Shemaine to figure out a solution to the problem.
Okay, let's do that.
Alright kids, it's time for you to get back into the game, and for this round, please use the code
178.